Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and once again we're back because we have a new toy. Joey, open this toy Play-Doh. Yes, today we will create, oh, what's this? We have, yes, you have to play with supervision, Yomin, because you're only 2 years old, and this toy is for 3 years old and more. Okay? Okay, what do you have? You have this, and then this knife, and this one. What is this? Whoa, maybe you have to put here inside. See, Yomin? You see, you have to put here. You cannot. Yeah. You have the red one. So, are you ready to mold? The shape? You ready? Whoa. Play-Doh. We have color blue. Color blue. It's color blue. Yeah. Yeah. Only some enough. Don't put more. Wow. Okay. Okay. You play the dough. Play the dough. Ew. You should not say ew. Guys, this is the first time she will play this Play-Doh. Here. And then we will make I think we have to do something from here. I see. I told you, Yomin. You have to put like this. The shape. Okay. First, the red one will make a circle. See? Whoa. Then we will put you cut it like this. Yeah. Yes. And then we will make like this, and then we'll put inside. You will look. Yeah. See. You will look. You will look. You will look at it. Look at this. Oh, see? See what we have? And then you will cut it with a knife. How to cut it? Can I borrow your knife? Here, see? We'll try other thing. The green one. Yeah. You just cut a little. You don't need more. Yeah. Yes. Let's make some. Let's see the other shape. I wanna try this one. I wanna try this one, you win. I wanna try this one. This one, you win. You win. See? You wanna try? Wanna try it? Yeah? Yes? Put inside? Yeah? Then, you do it, you win. Do it. You press it. Press it. Press it here. Hurry up. Press it. Press. 1, 2, 3. You win, look. Ooh. Ooh. See? 1, 2. It's like a pasta. Let us make more. Hello. Come on. Yeah, that's Tita Rupa. Next, what we will try?
Can I?
Sure, you can try Ate.
Okay.
You can sit with Yowin.
But where's the playdoh? I want this one.
Ah, here. It's the same. Down Ate.
Here?
Hey, you're not eating that one, huh? That is not food.
What is it?
Yeah. That is a Play-Doh.
Can I?
Yeah, just wait. I want to remove the other inside. Yeah.
Actually, Play-Doh is kind of good. Actually, where did you bought this? Or did you go about this?
Wait. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Put this one.
Is there pink
Try.
Play-Doh?
Look. Whoa.
Is there blue? Is there a pink Play-Doh?
No, only green and blue. You can buy later on.
Actually, these are kind of a little bit
Ooh. Can we try with the green one?
pink and green. I'll do this
Can
one.
we add more? Look, Evan. Whoa.
I'll do the
It's like a blue hair. Whoa. We'll add more blue. Yeah. Whoa.
Hey! Look.
Don't do like that. You wanna try it, Ate?
Look. Actually, I'll squish them now. Can I try now?
Yeah, you can try it.
Actually, where should you put it here?
Yeah. Can you put this more? Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit.
Can you sit over here so that they can see you what you are doing?
Yowin!
Okay, just fix first.
Look at me.
I will remove this one. Yes, I will remove this one first because sharing is
Scary.
caring. Yes.
Scary?
Not is scary. It's caring. You have to remove this all and clean it up like this, like that. So whose turn is it? It's Ate's turn. It's Ate Nala's turn. Ay, sorry, Ate Yana's turn. So, okay. Which one you want to try first? The shape? You have to put the shape first, like this. This is a, what shape is this? A hexagon because it has 6 shapes. Yowin, you would like to try it first?
Can I try the green one?
Can you please move here? You play together. You're green and Ate will be the blue. Okay?
Is there some more in this box?
Or this is the one that we bought.
Only that?
Yeah, only this.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I try?
Yes, of course you can try it, Ate.
I'll make a hole.
Ito na.
Like a no.
Yowin, Ate would like to do something.
Come on, teacher.
You wanna cut it?
Can I try?
Want me to get it? Whoa. Whoa. You sure do.
Teacher.
Welcome. Can I have some?
No, teacher.
No, I cannot. Why? I want to try it also. Hi. Wow, look at that. You do like this? Yeah. You do like this. Yeah. And then go like this.
Can I borrow your wing? Can I borrow? What? Ta-da! Whoa, take it. Whoa!
See? Wow. Show it to Yoin. Show it to the... this is a butterfly? Is that a butterfly? Oh no, it's not. It's an owl. Yoin would like to try first.
Let's try a green one.
So Yoin would like to try this one, Smiley.
I was about to try the smiley.
And then I will remove this one. And then see, Yoin, there's a head. See, Yoin. See. Wow. There is eyes and nose and smiling face. Yeah. Yes. Wow.
I'm gonna mix these together.
What's that?
I'm gonna put some more playdoh.
I'm gonna try this one. I think this is a car.
Okay. Yeah, that is a car.
What's that? Oops. Oh, it's a mixed one. Green and blue. It's nice. Yeah. It's an owl. It's an owl. Owl.
Whoa.
Okay.
I want to try. Ta-da!
You want to try?
I want to mix this together. What? I want to mix this together.
Yeah. Did you take this one? And
Can I try?
you will try the next one.
Can I try?
Sure. The next one. In here.
A baby color. Now push.
You have to make some. You have to mold some egg.
Whoa! You can have it, Joey.
Thank you. It's a blue and green.
Mommy!
I like this. Thank you.
Different. How to turn it? How to turn it?
You have to just
No.
move like that.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah. You will.
Just take it off later.
I will. I need blue Play-Doh. Yeah, it's blue. And then some blue. And then some green. No, green. Green. You like my dress? I already go to the beach. It was so much fun there, and I already take a bath.
I thought you forgot.
Ah!
Okay, you play together, okay?
How to put my hand?
Hello.
I have to put my hand.
No, she's eating. She's...
How? Ah, this here. Look.
Maybe you get some. Okay, you play together.
How about
What about this one? There's another shape here. There is like a
I
star.
want this one, but I'll
Just
take
move.
this off.
Move. Just move it like this. Wait. You have to do like that. See? Don't touch the dough, you'll win. Because you're eating. Okay? Yay. It's Tita Rufa's fault.
Why?
You're playing dough and you're eating. Oh, my coffee.
Coffee you forgot?
Yeah, coffee is life. Whoa, what you got there?
Woo. I'm gonna clean it.
Wow, it's yummy, Owen?
Oh, I
Say
did it.
it's yummy. Is it yummy? Yeah.
Oh,
Yum, yum.
Let me eat.
Yummy. You got all the smallest part. Like this.
I'll get some more light green. Is this light green or dark green? Is this light green or dark green?
Papadam? It's nice, Papadam.
What is Papa done?
The one Yowen's eating.
Oh.
Did you eat it? Whoa, that one is a triangle.
Wait, let me get Papa.
Back there.
Wow! I'll get this now.
Done?
Without...
More?
Whoa! Okay, done.
Sige na, next.
How to clean this?
You have to do like this. Extra dough.
How to
Do
clean
like this,
this?
oh. Like this.
But how to clean it? Oh, I just picked up with my hand. Just pick them up in my hand. And why they're sticky?
What's that?
Why they're sticky? Nothing. Why they're sticky? I'll just wash my hands.
You're still playing. Why are you washing your hands?
Because I need to wash my hands.
Yowen, what are you doing? Whoa. Let's make some pizza.
Pizza, pizza.
Yummy. It's yummy. Mm.
I'm back. Ta-da!
You wipe your hands first. Wait, Yowen, not like that.
Can I try? Down with the baseball.
Of course you can. Yes.
I need a knife.
Tell our friends what you are doing. So that they will know what are you doing.
I'll make something. I'll make a smiley face.
I think she's getting food for for her for his wife.
Problema kasi kay lugar na tama man.
Ano sabi dito?
I'll use a knife.
Siya po na kayo tabalo kaya ka. Siya po na ka tabalo kaya. Misunderstanding? Misinterpretation or what? Ay, sorry for the interruption. So, did you
Smiley
made already?
face.
What's that? Smiley face. Very good. What else? Hmm? Ay, almost. What is that, Yowen? Ooh, it's green though. So green Play-Doh. We will buy more Play-Doh, okay? Ano?
Wow. Nice.
Lami sa likong. Okay, lami sa likong Tim.
Big.
Kapag taong na ka. Oh, you tell your friends what you are doing so that they will know.
I'm making a butterfly.
Okay, and then?
Yoian, you don't know what you're saying yet from our video.
Yeah, Yowen, you tell your friends what you are doing.
Video.
What? It's a blue. It's a blue dough.
I like them too. Hello guys. Look at this. There's a butterfly. You can see it because it's light. Ta-da!
Lapo man? Ano? Broccoli? Broccoli na ako nakiabi. Siguro ako. Sabi ko sa
Here. Hey, there's something down here.
Hey.
People. People. I want the green one with the scar. And then go.
So, kanain din sa awan mo. Puta pa din din.
Wow, I take it off. Okay, cool. Look at this. I take it off. I take it off. Look.
Ay, magsundin.
No. Go, meow, meow.
Para maganda nun eh.
Yowin! Yowin, I need to make.
Ay, ano?
No fighting.
Yowin!
Anak, you have a lot, anak. No? Thank you. Say thank you, ate.
Sharing is caring. Please. Yowin, here you go. Wow. Thank you. You want that? And then. Now take it. Punch, punch, punch. Now some more. Now take it. Punch, punch, punch. Now unbelievable. How beautiful. Playdoh. Now make more bigger baby. Ow. No. Actually, we already have stars, right?
Later we'll just clean. Because you're still playing, okay? So enjoy playing, okay? Ang dalawa na ganda nito.
Wow, I can see the first face.
So, mabihan ha.
Guys, look. It's a smiley. Why? Ta-da!
Ay, paano? Dala mga na ano.
That's my skin. Epic! Look,
Ano sa akin, uncle na yan?
It's not too bad. I'll try this one now. They got top. Wait, why are you looking at the camera and not at the Play-Doh?
Okay, salamat. Sawa na ka. Aywa.
We're still making here.
Deng scholar din ako kulitan.
Na?
Deng scholar.
Sige, wala na mag-search siya katang kaya. May na karatang pregnant pa maraming mamatay. Hindi na. Kaya mag-playdoh. Mag-tugal. Yung pagsusunod yan,
Look, Queen.
Where?
Look, Queen.
Oh, what's that?
Wheel.
A wheel.
Dahil mo rin nga nakarini.
Pick up.
What's that?
Go. Look.
Wala ka dito.
What's the wisdom?
Oh, everything. Nanak, yan na, please.
Punta kayo na nila masarap pa. Kaya na po mag-standby ka. Keep quiet.
Got to me. That's me. What?
Okay, bye-bye.
Ta-da!
Bye.
Ilan yung kulay dito?
Only that.
Ilan yung kulay?
Say bye-bye po.
No, we're still playing.
Sino ba yung headed mo?
Not even have a cricket on it. I can see a cricket. Oh. Now what? Hey, Dad. Oh, wait a minute.
It's here. Ang galing mo, may setup na sa'yo. Can I borrow her that one? That one.
This one?
No, that one.
This?
No, the big one.
Oh. Another one is there. But how to... It's a Glenn.
Sige.
Okay. Let's do shortcuts now. How should you even do it? Not like that. Hmm? Not an alarm.
Oh, you have to put your clay here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, wait. That's my phone.
Look how you win.
2, 3, 4. Butterfly. Oh, I'm gonna put it there. Pick up. Look, perfect. Hey, this is a butterfly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo kayo.
Nakita mo yung tape?
Hindi po.
Kasi yung tape. Baga nagpakaiti-tape na yung ano na lang. Okay, say bye-bye. See you next
We're
time.
still playing.
Oh, you showed them what you did, the shape. Okay, 1. What's that? Whoa. And the other one?
Butterfly.
A butterfly. And the other one?
Smiley face.
Smiling face. Okay, say bye-bye, Yowin.
No,
What you got?
We're still playing.
What you got? Yeah, you can still play. Say bye-bye. See you next time. Bye. Yowin. Say bye-bye na. Bye. Ate.
Bye.
Bye. Please subscribe.
Back of it.
Mwah. Flying kiss. Okay.